Oh, thank God. Of pure panic right then.
Oh, my take that. Strong, man.
Alright, surprise! It's not actually going to be my permanent paint job. I was like, tricked you there. So I just wanted to see what it would look like. It actually looks kind of cool from the top, but I know that people from Rolls-Royce are watching this and totally freaking out. So I'm here to tell you this is not how it's going to last and stay on the car. What we're doing now, this is the really exciting bit, is I'm here with Dimitri, our designer, and he has actually mocked up all of our real designs that I'm going to choose from right now for my Rolls-Royce. So we're going to sit down and look at different colors and patterns and what I want. I have a pretty good idea of what I want at the moment, but let's have a look at some of the options. I like that a lot, actually. That's really sick. Like, what?
Yeah, we easily can do that, yeah.
Really easily, yeah, because look, you've still got main outline of what I've already got, the black on the top and the white on the sides. Okay, cool.
I think we can change the base color if if we want to keep the white,
Yeah.
okay, it's white. So, but now we can play
Okay,
any
okay.
other color under.
Yeah,
But again, I need to come back to repaint this.
okay. So this is what I was thinking. I actually want to do Nardo grey all over the rolls. And then the rims are actually, do you have the other rims? The ones with the white spokes right at the end? These rims. So I want these rims. And then I want the Nardo grey, I think. Go back to, yeah. And then maybe one of these SBs down the side. Like this. I'm not sure about the black. Can we make this, you have this like in a lighter grey, so it's not so like bam in your face. Yeah, like that. What do you guys think? Something like this?
Or darker or lighter than
Yeah, or
background.
even lighter.
Or outline.
Or outline, yeah.
So we have 3 options.
So here's my questions for you. Should there be a colourful line on the rolls, and should there be an SB on the side? Or should it just literally be all Nardo grey and then the rims black and with the white little spokes? What do you think? Do you like my idea? Do you like our design?
Yes, so you have 2 choices, or
Yeah.
classy or more arty.
Classy or more
artistic
arty?
way,
Yeah. You can basically come in here at Wheel Fix. This is where you have a
Yes.
space. He'll get his 3D imaging up and you can look at the car from all different angles and choose what design you want for your car. You can go hit him up. His link is actually in the description below this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for
My
helping us
pleasure.
organize this. It's at first you were freaking out, right? Like, oh my God, what has she done to this rolls? It actually looks quite cool from the top, but the issue is that no one really sees the rolls from the top. So we're ditching that, but I actually loved seeing how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a quick thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the Supercar Blondie family. Love you guys. I think we're out. Bye.